Hello everyone. In this video, there's another redo a video about MLA. So I'm on the college library page and talking about MLA. So if you scroll down, and hopefully after going through the databases and watching the video with Christina, how to use the databases over here and how to access to talk with librarians. But here at the citation guide, we have multiple types of citations. If you have a history class, you're doing Chicago style, Turabian. If you have a behavioral science, you're doing APA. For humanities, where English is located, we do MLA. So there's three forms of MLA. There is formatting. So down here, there's an actual whole paper. So formatting is 1-inch margins, where you put your name, have a creative title, these kind of things. That's formatting. Double space, 12 font. But then the second one is in-text citation. So here it kind of talks about in-text citation, like how to do in-text citation. And if you notice here, like for example, if you say the author's name here, according to whomever, then you just put the page number. You don't put PG, you don't put the year, you don't need to put the author's name. Whereas if you paraphrase, if you say some idea from an author, then you put the author's name and page number. So review that handout. And then here the librarians have put together a guide for how to do the citation. So especially like you could decide, okay, what am I looking at? What source am I looking at? Am I looking at an article? Am I looking at a video? Something from that I posted in Canvas. And then your third one, so first, there's three forms of MLA. One, formatting. Two, in-text citation. And then three, your works cited page, like where you got that information. And it's all alphabetical and depending on what the source. And then one of the key things sometimes is your spacing. So right above this video here in 7.1, here is the actual, this is where I took all the readings from. So this is where the readings are from. And then here are where the CBLs are from. Then in 7.3, as you're kind of working on your revision, down here I have, whoops, let me move this camera up. Then down here I have the MLA format citation, right? So here's where we just were. I also have a link to Purdue OWL. Here's some other, for just FYI for your information. And there's just all kinds of tools here, folks. So get after it.